All the stuff we talk about in here is one big interruption of patterns, because we always have to remember the golden rule. The more you interrupt people's patterns, the less likely you're treated like everybody else. If you look at the traditional salesperson, prospective buyers have caught on to the way that traditional people sell. And we always have to remember the golden rule. The more you interrupt people's patterns, the less likely you'll be treated like everyone else. From a sales perspective, take the classic question early on, hey, do you think you can help me with so-and-so? Traditional person says, of course I can. When can we meet? Well, right now that prospect may be thinking, how do they know they can even truly help me? And now you're just gonna get treated like everyone else. They're gonna run you through their process. They can start to make it about price versus the simple interruption of, don't quite know yet, can I ask you a couple quick questions? So all throughout the sales process, there are times where traditional salesperson all smell alike, look alike, sound alike. Well, if you sound like everyone else, smell like everyone else, and look like everyone else, you're gonna get treated just like everyone else. So the next time you find yourself in that conversation with a prospective client, interrupt their patterns. Don't be like everybody else. And when you do that, you'll notice you're treated differently. But with one caveat. The interruption of patterns has to make sense. This isn't about being completely off the wall. It's not about being rude and interrupting that patterns that way. It has to make contextual sense. So next time you find yourself in that position, interrupt the patterns and you'll get treated differently.